In this video we will see some important terms. An abstract is a brief summary of a research article, thesis, review, conference proceeding, or any in-depth analysis of a particular subject and is often used to help the reader quickly ascertain the article's purpose. A journal's aims and scope statement lays out the objective or purpose that the journal is trying to accomplish and how it will achieve this. APC stands for Article Publishing Charge. APCs are usually charged when publishing an article open access. Often, a journal will promote a particular theme or topic by putting out a call for papers, which is a specific ask for submissions related to the chosen theme. A quotation from or reference to a book, paper, or author, especially in a scholarly work. A Creative Commons license is used when you publish your research open access. This dictates what other people can do with your article once it's published. A discovery service is an online tool that enables easy searching from library systems across a wide range of content. The Directory of Open Access Journals, a community-curated online directory that indexes and provides access to open access, peer-reviewed journals in over 300 subject areas. The editorial board, sometimes known as an advisory board, typically consists of a group of prominent people in the journal's field. Their day-to-day role with the journal may vary, but the board will usually dictate the tone and direction the publication's editorial policy will take. They will also regularly review manuscripts submitted to the journal. Every journal has its own set of policies and procedures. These can cover everything from how they conduct peer review to the process for submitting your article and the ethical standards required of any research submitted. In addition to the journal's own policies, the journal may also be subject to the editorial policies of the publishing group. In green open access, an embargo period usually refers to the time period that must elapse after publication before a researcher can make the accepted version of their article openly available in a repository. A fully open access journal is one where every article in the journal is published via gold open access, see below. This means that anyone, anywhere can read the article for free. A growing number of research funders now have policies requiring you to make your published work available through an open access route, whether gold or green. Gold open access means that the final published version of your article is permanently and freely available online for anyone, anywhere to read. It will also have a license applied which allows for reuse of the article by others. A publicly available search engine, providing a simple way to broadly search for scholarly literature, including articles, theses, books, and abstracts. Green open access, also known as self-archiving, is when you post an earlier version of your manuscript in repositories and online, usually after an embargo period. Hybrid journal. A hybrid open access journal is a subscription journal in which some of the articles are published open access. Impact factor. The impact factor is the most commonly used metric to assess a journal. Released annually based on Web of Science journal citation reports, only journals in the Science Citation Index Expanded, SCIE, and Social Sciences Citation Index, SSCI, can have an impact factor. Indexing. Indexing is the process of ensuring journals are well indexed in online databases like Google Scholar, PubMed, etc. This ensures that the research published in the journal is easily discoverable. Journal metrics. Journal metrics are tools used to measure the performance and impact of a journal. Journal suggested. Several publishers have journal selector/suggester tools that allow you to narrow down your search when choosing a journal for your work. Our journal suggester works by analyzing your article abstract to find a short list of our journals that publish research like yours. Mega journal. Mega journals publish a broad variety of research without judging the perceived importance of it. Instead, they look purely at the soundness of the research. Famous mega journals include PLOS One, Scientific Reports, and Peer.J. OASPA. The Open Access Scholarly Publishers Association, OASPA, is a membership organization that was established in 2008 in order to represent the interests of open access (OA) publishers globally in all scientific, technical, and scholarly disciplines. Open access. Choosing to publish your research open access (OA) makes it freely and permanently available online. Anyone, anywhere can read and build upon it. Peer review. Peer review is the evaluation of research by one or more experts in the field of the research. The peer review system exists to validate academic work, helps to improve the quality of published research, and increases networking possibilities within research communities. Predatory publishers. Put simply, predatory publishers or journals trade, intentionally and fraudulently, off existing society or journal names. Authors send their work and, in some cases, pay publication fees to these titles in good faith, only to discover that their research hasn't appeared in the title they thought it would. Scopus. Scopus is an abstract and citation index that holds a comprehensive overview of the world's research output in the fields of science, technology, medicine, social sciences, and arts and humanities. STAR. Special Terms for Authors and Researchers, STAR, is a unique Taylor and Francis initiative developed to provide authors and researchers in the Global South with free access to articles from our leading international and regional journals across subject areas. Subscription Journal. A subscription journal is a journal for which you or your institution need to have a subscription to read the articles published in it. Think. Check. Submit. Think. Check. Submit. Is an initiative from a coalition of scholarly communications organizations. Its tools help to make the process of choosing the right journal for your work simpler and safer. Web of Science. Web of Science is a trusted database for finding books, research journals, and conference proceedings.